Some days can be a little harder to cook than others. When you're constantly heeled over, life can be a little difficult. The end of our journey was so close we could almost taste it, and we had one of our fastest legs yet.
I hate cooking when it's healing. Get my bony hips bashed into the boat. Hate it. It's hot in here, and if that window's closed, then it gets even more hot in here. But if it's open, then the water comes in and it floods the stove top, and then the stove doesn't work. That's a dilemma. I'm basically working out as I cook right now. Everything's flexed. So I don't go like this and stab myself. I have to use all my stabilizing muscles all at once. I'm super stable.
Well, say that. So what are you making for lunch?
Basically, I'm just trying to use up all of our produce. It's gonna be tacos with yellow peppers, green peppers, jalapenos, black beans, tomatoes, onions. There's a little bit of celery in there too. Little bits of everything before it goes bad.
It's always a little fun when it's, the camera never does justice on the waves. They're probably average 5 feet, topping out at 8 feet, which isn't too bad, but makes it nice and choppy. Without solar or wind power generation, running the generator is just something we had to do a couple hours a day. I honestly think the new non-spill spouts they put on these gas cans make you spill more fuel. It's not easy. Oh crap. You know, it just occurred to me, we've gone over 2,000 miles, almost 2,300 miles so far. Long way to go, and at a speed that we would not have gotten a ticket in a school zone.
I know. I mean, I was saying, what if we were in an RV going 9 miles an hour or less across the country? That would be weird.
That would take forever. It's not a bad way to go, though. We're about. I think we're all ready, though, huh?
I'm ready. We've been talking about ice cold beverages way too much.
Yeah, we got 2 days left, so less than that.
We are close, like really close, like less than 2 days. We've been going fast for the last couple days. I think Bobby said we did like 183 miles yesterday, which is moving. We're ready. I'm ready. Get to go start seeing some cool stuff.
Day 16. Yay! Thinking about all the things I'm gonna do when I get there. We started trying to make a bucket list. Of course, we got errands, we got to check in and all that. So I think this trip actually has exceeded my expectations for as tough as I thought it was gonna be. We've been really lucky with weather and wind and good company. And the guys cook and clean, so I'm really happy with that as well. And now, I mean, we're just in the home stretch. We're supposed to have really good wind the next couple days, and we're gonna be there before we even know it. So I'm really excited.
Hadn't been a bad day. We only adjusted the sails once, haven't really done much at all. The wind has been exceedingly consistent. The wind has been like out of the east-southeast at 14 to 16 knots for the past like 36 hours. In the last 24 hours we did 183 nautical miles. That's like 7.6 or 7.8 knots average for 24 hours. It's pretty good. So, and we've been doing that today too, so we're moving quickly. At this rate we have less than 48 hours to go. We'll be there and we sleep 2 nights and up midday the next day. Pretty awesome, can't believe it. Such a long trip and we just have 40 hours left. Amazing. Pretty amazing how the sun was setting over there when we first started. Now it's setting way over there.